Hello guys, this is Koy Ed once again and welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to refill HP tricolor cartridge. So if you're ready, let's watch this. First, we need to place 3 to 4 ml of ink into its respective syringes. So one for magenta, one for yellow, and one for cyan. So then we need to make sure that the cartridge is clean. So we can use wipes or tissue for cleaning the cartridge. Then we need to remove the sticker from the top of the cartridge. So we see 5 holes above the cartridge. Then we will inject the magenta first on the first hole. So just insert the needle carefully and inject the ink slowly. And make sure not to hit the needle on the very bottom part of the cartridge to avoid damaging the filter. And then we will follow the yellow ink, so it will be injected in the left side. So slowly inject the ink inside. Okay, after the yellow one, let's follow the cyan on the right side. Okay, so we are now done injecting the ink. So we'll put the sticker back to the cartridge, on the top of the cartridge. So after that, we will insert the cartridge into our suction tool. So we will get at least 1 ml of ink. This is to make sure that the ink will go to the very bottom part of the cartridge. So this is to ensure that we will have the best quality of our print output. So let's remove the cartridge from the suction tool, and then we will clean the cartridge, so just to make sure that there will be no excess ink. Okay, so after cleaning the cartridge, let's insert it into our printer. Okay, so the block cartridge is located in the right side, so the tricolor will be at the left side. So let's try to print some document to see if it works. Okay, so this is now our output. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.